Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. A good deal. Features also include stability control, keyless ignition, premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Make a great choice today with the 2018 Sentra. With its spacious and versatile interior and stellar fuel efficiency, the Nissan Sentra is the obvious choice for anyone who wants to enjoy a stylish and comfortable ride. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.